Let's go.
Inte effektivt.
Got a ticket to nowhere. Come and fly away with me tonight. Can you stay till the morning? Can you tell me that everything's alright? Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I can't help but be need of us two. Got a ticket to nowhere. When the fighting is over, it goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. On and on and on.
Let's go.
Why you keep on pausing?
Stay on the left side of the road.
Next one. You want the bottle to put your rum inside here, right? Yes, man. I know you want to put your rum in there. I know. Yeah, man.
All right.
Camera is fine, right?
Oh, yes, man. No problem, man.
All right.
Respect, man. All right.
Here you go.
Welcome, welcome. All right, so you said Privilege Club, right? So right over here. Going right all the way, and you will see the office. And as I said, when you got there, give them a ticket, and they will retrieve the badge. All right? All right,
All right.
enjoy and
Many
see you around,
thanks.
all right?
Yeah, man.
That's it. Remember, no rum, okay?
Sorry, Daddy.
That's okay, pumpkin.
That's true. Are you ready to climb the Holy Cross stairs?
Cool.
It was harder when Daisy was a baby
Because
because we had to walk with you. We're gonna walk through here, right? Or you gonna walk right room? What do you?
Sorry, Daddy.
for what? Well, that's cool. I'm not a baby.
My shoe is noisy. You see this, Daisy? Excited?
Where we going?
Kids Club. Right there. I don't know, we're just looking
This is new? Jerk center? Yeah, that sound good. I like everything jerking again.
See the pool is, look, the pool right there, the sea right here.
Thank you. I need to go in front of you guys because everything much heavy and messy. You know.
You say you're not holding my hand no more, so Daddy, look there. Daddy, look
No,
there.
that's careful. By the time we don't eat for time from chicken to the food get on.
That's fine. May I grab a big burger? Something.
Busy where you going to take?
I don't know. What is, Mama, it's still going?
What? To the water park there, around there.
You don't remember that water park when you go in the slide?
No.
Walk in here?
Come on, watch it.
Hmm?
Walk down there so much chicken. Hmm? You don't go there so too? We're not even going to. Okay? This was the only thing I never liked. The walk with feet. If your hair even get wet up, I have blow dryer in there. Here in the room, so I can blow your hair. Yes, baby.
You got do something there first?
Yeah.
Water park?
No, sir, we're not the close.
No, just let me get. Just let me get a video from now.
So when we come up on our video.
You don't just walk around?
Alright, go on.
You
Yeah.
can stay.
No, come.
Yeah, since me already here. Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess it's bug season. Look at this.
Mm-hmm. How much, this is a separate video, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 7 minutes.
This here?
Yeah,
7 minutes already?
yeah.
Give me that, baby. So we'll go upstairs, we'll come back and we'll go through some of these places so nobody walks up.